learn this kind of animation, how you can see these molecules or particles that are colliding and going here and there in the beaker. That's what we are going to learn. To create this kind of animation, all you need to have with you is After Effects and Newton. That is a plugin that you must have with you, and then only you will be able to achieve this kind of result. If by any chance you are going to do this manually, of course it will eat up a lot of the time, and again I am not sure whether you will be able to get this kind of result. But with this plugin called Newton, it is very easy and convenient to achieve this kind of result. How I got this result, let's jump into the After Effects and let's learn about it. So here I am ready with my composition that you can see here. So my composition size is 1080 by 1080 and frame rate is 25 and seconds are 10, and color you can choose any for the background. So I am going with this color. I'm just going to show you solid setting. So here you can see the color is 380770. So you can use any of the colors you want. Feel free to use that. So once you are done, like once you are ready in your composition with your assets, so let's create an outline. Because why we are doing this, because Newton does not support PNG or any vector file. So so oh my god, here maybe I'm not that good in After Effects with pen tool. You must be. So apply all your knowledge to get, but anyways I am okay to get the result. So yeah, I am my beaker size is done. So now I am going to create my particles. Actually this is too big, so I'm going to reduce size by up to 50%. And yeah, I think 50 or maybe 45 is fine. So let's create Newton only supports shape layer, text layer and mask objects in Newton. So you can find number of videos that are uploaded on the YouTube that you can go and learn more deeply about that. But it's really strong and powerful plugin that will ease your time. So I will make 20 copies of this. So simply I will speed up this anyway, just to not your I believe. Yeah, so like I am going with 20 particles. You can choose number of particles, however number you want. So we are done here. I'm going to hide I will keep my layer, but anyways I can hide that too, and I will hide this also. Now we are going to inside Newton. So where you will find Newton? Here. If you know, I will upload another video if you need for Newton, how to install in Newton. But anyways I am just assuming that you know how to install and how to use. So yeah, okay, this shows when the mesh precision is the higher than we are actually sorry, my bad. So this is the mesh precision. So the more it has the numbers, the more detail will be there. So it asks your computer may get slow. So this just gives you a warning that you can avoid. It's completely fine. We have simply one beacon, so it's fine. So we will put its type property that will be static. If you keep as is, and if you hit play, then you can see what is happening here. That's what you don't want. So to keep this beaker on its place, so you need to choose static. So it won't go anywhere now. Only the because their properties are dynamic, so that's why they are going here and there. So simply go now we are done with the beaker property. We have nothing to do with this beaker properties anymore. Now we are going to play with the property of the molecules or particles. So select any of the particle here and then press C. It will simply select similar layer properties. So all the layers are selected that you can see here. Okay, so once you are selected, once you are done with selection of your layer, go here. So we need to play several properties here, then only we will be able to achieve that kind of result. Now you can see what is happening. It's simply touching the ground and they are just like that. So if we the first value we will simply put down the density value to 0.1. It's a weight of the density means the weight of the object. So now we are putting it very less, that is 0.1. So if there any change that we can see, not much. Okay, fine. Then we are going to play with friction. Friction is sliding kind of thing that that will also be like 0.1. Again there is nothing much, but this is bouncing it will bring out a lot, like it will simply change the scenario. So if you go for 1, I believe that should be sufficient. I'm not sure. Yeah, it's working, but it is not really, we are not there what we need. So we will go to solver, and this we need to increase the value to 8. And then we will check how it's working now. Again I can't see. Again we can see those are not going, this place is not really, like they are not really, result is not satisfying. So again we will simply increase a bit of value, that is 1.1. I believe this should be enough. This is very sensitive, guys. While playing with the properties, make sure you are not increasing that very high, not going that high with this property, because you can see why it came back, because the frame is 300 that we have at 10 seconds. So it will simply go there and it will come back. So you can decrease or increase the number of frames you want, but anyways I am okay with 249 frames. And then I will go velocity direction. That will simply add some randomness in the direction of the molecule that they are going here and there. So I believe this should work, this should be fine. You can see the speed of the molecules are increasing, and that is not really a good thing. So what you can do, you can simply add a keyframe here and then play here, and then add one more keyframe like this. I'm going to put it 100, and then I'm going to put it 1, and this should be linear. I believe this should work. Yeah, this is working, guys. I think no, it's not really working. 1.05. You need to keep playing, guys, with the properties. We have different properties. You need to keep on playing to get exact result, that what exactly you want. Unless you don't get that result, you need to keep on playing with the properties and the speed and everything. I think I got what I wanted. So this is done for me right now. So I will simply click on render. So my file is being rendered. So it will create another composition for me with all the properties applied that I have given to the particles. So let's see, it may take some time. Yeah, so this is composition 4. Here we can see, if I play spacebar, there you can see how beautifully they are going here and there. Oh my god, really nice. Okay, so our video starts actually from this point, and it should end. I will end it at 7 seconds, 7 or 8 seconds. It's fine. Let's not go completely there. So yeah, I think this is one guy that is not really working properly. You can see seems it's something happened to that molecule. I don't know what, but anyways. So yeah, once you are done with this, you need to go back all the way and then make all those layers visible. So we have these properties. I will speed this video up anyway. What I will do, I will hide this beaker thing. I don't need it anymore. Simply go there and then we will do this. Let's call it 1 2. You can rename or not, it's up to you, it's completely fine. So I am doing this just to keep my what do you say, process smooth. So yeah, this you need to do for at least 20 times. So I will speed this up anyway. So yeah. Alright guys, make sure you don't delete that particle that you got from Newton. It has path, especially these thingy. We have simply hidden them, but we haven't deleted them, and we need them for their properties, especially wherever they are going. This they will follow the movement. So here you can see what is going on here. You can see how beautifully they are going here and there. So this is what we wanted to create. Anyway, this one is somehow not working, so our video starts from here. So I hope the cut is not that much of visible. It should be in loop. So yeah, this is how it should be. So this is the end of this video guys. If you guys have any questions, please comment in the please leave those questions in the comment box. I will answer each one of them. So yeah, that's all.